the number one DIY tip ever. The number one DIY tip ever. It's very simple. Before you start your job, before you turn a screwdriver or a spanner, photograph everything. Doesn't hurt. Take a video. Just takes a few minutes. Don't worry. Photograph the replacement spares that you bought. Photograph your tools. Video it. Doesn't just takes a few minutes. If you don't need it, it's just on your cell phone. You can just delete it. It's astonishingly easy after you've been working on an engine for a while to remember where the different wires or pipes might have fitted. Don't fall into the trap of thinking it's obvious. You lose nothing if it turns out you don't need them. In the past, I've had to go and knock on a neighbour's door to ask him if I could look under the bonnet of his Golf so I could check things. Just video it. That's all you need to. Bye.